What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad you are tuning into the Corvette here, and we're having another video made on the channel, and hopefully it's just going to be kind of just an interesting video. It might be just random, going to my buddy's place. We're going to go see a bunch of vets, hopefully, that are pulled up at his place. He got a new vet recently, or traded in one, I think, and then his buddy who moved in with him got a C7 vet as well. So we're going to go check those out. I think there's going to be a few other people showing up, and we're just going to make a cool little video. So hopefully, you know, more content will come later with those. Definitely want to get some driving shots with those two specific cars and with mine and everybody else. So hopefully that comes later in the future. But don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get in the car and take it and head that way. All right, let's go ahead. Load up. Ooh, I gotta fall in. Let's see. All right, we're almost there, guys. Alright guys, so we are here at Peasy's house, C6 Peasy, and we're just going to take a look at some of the cars here that are behind me, and we're having a good time. Alright, we got C7 Keen's whip right here. We do have a few more coming, but I'm just going to get our rides right now, because that's who is here. There's Keen's again. Sorry about the brightness, guys. The sun is kind of that direction over there, so I'm just trying to get basically the shots. There's mine. There's some more whips over there. I'll be there in just a minute, but she's sitting clean like always. We got our boy Adrian over here. Oh man, that tan, or that color, insane. Big wing manual. They cleaning them. Look at that. I know some of y'all like that. Diffuser, huge. Taillights, big wing, crazy. And here's Peasy's new ride, that C6 Grand Sport. It's got long tubes, intake, etc. We're gonna have to get a video of these whips in action, driving. I'll get you another shot of the car here. Grand Sports. Look at that. That is nice.
Yeah, you'll be in the heart of like the city or wherever at. For sure, bro. Oh yeah, bro.
And then his homeboy here, he just picked this up.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, because I'm using a lot of mine right now. Yeah, bro.
That is nice as well. It's got 345s on that 19-inch wheel. Like, I want these, man. These wheels, it says American Racing. I'm not kind of sure what the name of the wheels called, but dude, I really like them. And he's got that stage 3 front splitter right there in the front. Man, we're about to have another 2 vets coming. CA, I believe, and then another cammed. So his is cammed here. This one. You missed the spot.
Oh, did I?
No, I don't know.
I was over here making sure I did it right.
Hey, so he's about to drop the full bands and get wrapped by your boy. So
I know, bro.
once it happens, that's
Yeah, so the bushing inside, it's a line.
C7 and C6 Corvettes, guys. So freaking nice. Got a little bit of shade now. Sun is kind of going away. But I'm gonna show some of these cars again. Got that Grand Sport.
That's my biggest fear.
Oh, she's. Oh, she's. Man, we got the whole squad. It's a Too Fast, Too Furious. It's a Too Fast, Too Furious party up in here, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's like Fast and Furious over here, man. Wow. All right, we got our boy Nick. He showed up. I was in the house, so I didn't get to see him pull up. But here's his whip. Here, C7 Stingray white. So we get some color up in here. Man. So we got some more vets showing up. Let's see who else comes. This is dope, 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 dope. There's the squad. Who's here? And let me go see his car real quick again. C5, we got the C5 action. We about to turn on the Cam Stingray. Alright guys, hopefully y'all enjoying the video. Like I said, it's just a video I wanted to make. I wanted to come hang out, see my buddy's place. But as a Corvette people, we're going to be here, so that's why we're basically here. You can see the cars in the back. And mine, and a few others. Oh, hold on, I think we got something. Oh, we just heard the Grand Sport turn on. It was having some issues turning on, something with the cable with the transmission not being connected, but look, it's on. Oh snap. Yeah, he needs to get all that situated there, but it's on. It's on. Oh shoot guys, we got the boy coming in. He said, oh snap. Oh man, I'm gonna try to get up close to him. Oh shoot. We got the boy. Oh, there he is. Jesus! Ah!
I get this on video.
Doggy action. We got the doggy action. Oh man, there's HEB Moolah. Oh snap. Oh freaking snap. Oh freaking snap. HEB Moolah. We got 48 Vato. Chop, 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 chop. Alright guys, I'm about to leave. Pretty awesome video. I enjoyed it. I had a bunch of fun hanging out with my friends and stuff. We're part of the Lone Star Corvettes LSC group. You can check us on Facebook and Instagram. We're based out of here in San Antonio, but we do have chapters in other cities in Texas. So anyway guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And till the next video guys, this is the Rogue Vet out, aka Jared. Peace.